It's time for a look at This Week in History. This Week in History, July 25th, marks the birth of the world's first test tube baby in 1978. Back in the late 70s, Louise Joy Brown, the world's first baby to be conceived via in vitro fertilization, was born at the Oldham and District General Hospital in Manchester, England, to her parents, Leslie and Peter Brown. According to the History Channel, the healthy baby was delivered shortly before midnight via cesarean section and weighed in at 5 pounds 12 ounces. You see, the mother, Leslie Brown, had suffered years of infertility due to blocked fallopian tubes. In November of 1977, she underwent the then experimental IVF procedure. A mature egg was removed from one of her ovaries and combined in a laboratory dish with her husband's sperm to form an embryo. The embryo then was implanted into her uterus a few days later. Her IVF doctors, a British gynecologist, and scientists had begun their pioneering collaboration a decade earlier.
Wanted me to have a normal upbringing and took me out of the spotlight. I suppose I'm part of history now, and it's pretty strange because one minute I'm being asked to do interviews and go on TV and do trips to Bulgaria and Brazil, and the next minute I'm at home just being a normal mum to my 2 boys.
And thank you for joining us today. As always, like and subscribe, and this has just been a little look at the world this week. For this week's nature moment, to the waterfalls on this relaxing summer day.